See me make a book nothing there. I remember you never that use nothing either. And me talk and you end up use nothing. So yeah, do the right thing and I fix it as I go along. But one big empty space there. Bounty Killer, Bling Dog, Rain Marshall, the Alliance era there. I remember Movado, a forward of Jamaica, you'd have the separate from Alliance, you'd have Vado Cartel segment. So your show is a whole series then. It's like a movie series with different episodes. You understand? And Cartel, here, I don't know who I do the liquor something there. I don't know who you merge with. You need to link me, yeah? Take ego out of it. You need to link me. Remember America, I live. Remember, me study the whole copyright thing and the whole. You understand? You don't need to link me. Whether sooner or later, you don't have to go link me. So, just link me. Link me before it's too late. Anybody where you want them, I do the liquor, see the name there, you want to get the liquor, you don't link me. I don't have no ego with it, you know. I don't have no hype with it because I know what me I say. You don't link me. Alright? So make ego rule in here. You don't link me. I'm here on the place, you know, people. All you see them are going, I'm here on the place. You hear Nesbeth song, right? Straight Nation. Yes, the Boom Boomer cuss me, but in their England and Straight Nation, he must say, on him stage. You see where Cartel liquor name now, right? Wanna see it? I'm me at the done. I'm me around the place. I'm me around the fucking place. Okay? So, Cartel, you want the distillers of your liquor? You need to link me. People that can't say, me not tell you, me now. Remember me have people me can call and say, give him the phone, but me don't want it look like a friend me a beggar me a running. No. This is business. Cartel. If I the Indian man there when me see, I take a picture with him, tell him, link me.